One thing I want you to add to your positive list for 2025 and hopefully beyond is I wrote stuff like to do for 2025. Number one, think for yourself. 2025, add this to your list. Think for yourself. Half of my base is on. Let us get to the eye look. I am using mauves today. I'm using mauves today because I am in the mauves, berries, pinks, red kind of vibes for February. So let us get this lovely, lovely look going. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's going to be lovely. Taking off the creases from my eyes. Very hooded eyes, so I have to get that off. I'll go with this color right here. But yeah, think for ourselves. 2025, let us start thinking for ourselves. Yes, somebody might say something and it is true or not true, but you want to make that final decision for yourself. You have to think for yourself to make that final decision. Don't just accept it. And that's why I'm saying for 2025, think for yourself. It is very, very important. Another thing I want you to do in 2025, and I'm also doing it. And I've been doing it, but I'm doing it even more. Live a life to the fullest. Live life to the fullest. Don't wait until you become a shell of a person for you to start living life. Because when you become a shell of a person, you cannot live life. Life is just different at that point. So live life to the fullest and do it because it makes you happy, not because I tell you to or because I say so. But leave me in the comments what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel because over here it's good vibes, inspirational, encouraging, and motivational words to help us along our way. Not just you, but it helps me too. First color is down. Today's I am. Yes, love it. It says, and it came from the comments, I am capable of achieving my goals. I am capable of achieving my goals. You are capable of achieving your goals. You can do it. You can do it. I know it. I know it. I believe in you. And I know you can achieve your goals. Go for it. Second color is going on. I am capable of achieving my goals. Yes, I am. And yes, you can achieve yours. I'm going with a darker color. I'm in a mauve palette and I am going into the darker color. I am capable of achieving my goals. You are capable of achieving your goals. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Trust in yourself. When you trust yourself, you can do a lot of things. Always know that you can do it. When people don't believe in you, it's one thing, but when you don't believe in yourself, it's worse. Because when you don't believe in yourself, you become crippled and then you're not able to achieve anything you want in life. So trust yourself, believe in yourself, and know that you are capable of achieving your goals. Think of one goal at a time. One, just one. Don't do more than one goal at a time because you might get frustrated. There's some people who can think of 3, 4 goals at a time and they're okay. And then there's some people who can just concentrate on one. If that's you, do one. And when you have accomplished that one, move to the next one so you don't get overwhelmed and give up along the way. One at a time, baby steps, baby steps. We are all in a different phase in our life right now. And we're all trying to accomplish different things right now. But don't take more than you can work with. Don't get carried away and think you can do what you see the next person do. You all are built differently and you can do it, but you just have to do it your way and on your time frame. Caller number 2. Yeah. I'm liking this muffs and berries. I think it's a muffs. It's not muffs and berries, just muffs. Taking the same brush, I'm going into the darker color, another dark color, because there are 2 dark colors in here, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner because I want to do a shimmer today. I don't think I have done a shimmer yet since I started this Mauves Berries Red Pink series and Plum series. So I want to do a shimmer today. Today I'm feeling shimmery. And in this palette has 2 shimmers. Okay, I can work with that. 2 shimmers. We're good. Okay, this should be darker. It looks darker in the... Oh no, it doesn't look darker in the pan. That's my error. So I'll have to mix the second color with it. So I'm going into the second color and just pouring it over it because I need a little darkness right here. And we'll make it work. That's what makeup is. Makeup is fun. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not give up on yourself. If you're struggling with addiction or mental illness or any other ailment, please seek help. Help is available. I know it is hard for you to seek help because we are so ashamed to seek help because we don't want people to know what's going on with us. But we got to get over the shame thing. This shame thing is not something that we should be living with. Don't look at shame and say you're not seeking help. Help is more important than thinking about shame. But please, I'm asking you, seek help. Reach out. Find someone to talk to. And don't do anything that will harm you or another. There are 2 shimmers in here. I'm going to take the lighter one first. I didn't swatch. As usual, we're just going to go with it. Whatever it turns out to be, it will be. So far, it's looking good. This is the mauve palette. I'm using, I think, every shade out of there so far. No, not all. I have a card for today. And the card says, I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. Today's card. It is safe for us to love each other. It is safe for us to love each other. Because now, more than ever, we need love. True love, that is now. Not just love, but true love. It is safe for us to love ourselves. Let's apply that to self also. It is safe for us to love ourselves. Please subscribe to my channel. Put on the notification bell. It lets you know when I post something on YouTube. YouTube is very challenging. But when I tell you I love coming here, filming, talking with you, it is an understatement how much I love coming here and talking with you. I just love it. It makes me happy to know that I have people who care about me very much, and I care about you very, very much. Very much I care about you. And I always want you to know that this place, I'm going into the second shimmer, that my channel is a safe place for you. Safe place. You're safe here because I want what comes from this channel to be truthful always, and at least knowing that it can help one person. This mauve palette is turning out to be a fantastic palette. Love it. My God, shimmers does make me happy, isn't it? You can tell the difference, right? A shimmer is just so beautiful. I love it. I love a shimmer. I said shimmers makes everything extra happy. But I want you to know you are loved on this channel, and it is a safe place for you to come. Watch, comment, like, share, and that is always welcome here. It is just always welcome here, and I am going to come back with the complete face. Yes, I love you, my community. I am capable of achieving my goals. To this I am. Think about it. And the one thing you should add to your 2025, whatever list you call it, motivational list, goals, make sure to remember to think for yourself. Note to self. My lip combination is a couple of lip liners and different lipstick and lip gloss and stains because I was trying to get the right shade. So it's a lot. And the little palette that I use, no surprise, Juvia's Place, the Mauves palette. And this rank number 9 in all my Juvia's Place palette. And I use all 6 shades. All of them. I use all. Outer corner and crease. Brow bone. Went in the corner with outer corner with this one, but it wasn't dark enough, so I mixed them. This is in the lower lash line in the beginning. This is the first shimmer you see in the inner corner. And this is the second shimmer you see in the outer corner. I use everything. And I'm glowing. I love it. I love me some me. I love me a lot. I want you to love you a lot. Trust me, when you love yourself a lot, it's not selfishness. It is just pure love. Pure love. Don't wait for somebody else to give you pure love. Give yourself pure love. Trust me. It is a good thing, and it's a good feeling to know you love yourself. So when the world is against you, you already have enough love to say, you know what? Yeah, it bothered me a tad bit, but I have so much love. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Remember to subscribe. I love you all dearly, and I will see you all very soon. Share this video.